Hi, this is Travis coming to you from MHF Enterprises Shooting Academy in Denison, Illinois. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to talk to you about a couple products that I use and I believe in, and I want to recommend them to you. These products have to do with concealed carry, and I think you will find them very helpful. We're also putting on a new series of classes this year called the Master of Concealed Carry, which is a 4-class series. If you complete all of them, you'll get the title of Master of Concealed Carry, plus a lot of other special things that you'll find out about later. But 3 of the 4 classes are all done from concealed carry draws. So having a nice, complete, solid concealed carry system is going to be essential for those classes and for anybody that just carries daily. First thing I want to talk about is the holster. Years ago I got hooked up with a company called Strong Sight Concealment, and they made all my holsters, and they were our official holster supplier for the company, and I loved them. But they branched off into another aspect of the shooting industry and quit making holsters, and I have spent years looking for a suitable replacement for those. I came across recently a company called Upper Hand Holsters, and I love their holsters. They are just every bit as good as the old Strong Sight Concealment holsters I used to get. I've got 3 of them already, and I will be getting more, I am sure. I have one on today, and I'll show you. Notice how tight it fits to the body. It also has adjustable height, and I like to run mine very high because it helps hide the gun. And it has some special features in there that I request on all my holsters. And they did these custom mods for me at no extra cost, and they'll do the same for you. They're just a great company to deal with. The first one that I require on all my holsters is the ability to take the magazine in and out while the gun is holstered. This is something that is essential when you're doing one-handed manipulation. So I always ask to be able to access that magazine release while it is holstered, and they did that for me. Second thing is it has a little bit of forward cant. Forward cant is how the gun is rotated like this in the holster, and a little bit of forward cant rotates the butt and grip of the gun up more into line with your body, and that helps hide the gun. So those 2 things right there really help out with hiding the gun. With how tight it is, sitting it up, a little bit of cant, and then that magazine release. And they also put a sweat guard on it for me. Now I don't really have it to protect the gun from sweat, but it does help hold the clothing out of the way when you're reholstering. So that's important. They offer these in a ton of different color combinations, and they don't charge anything extra for any of the colors you want to pick. Fantastic company to deal with. Highly recommend them, and they are now our official holster supplier for the company. Because of that, they gave me a 10% off discount code that I can pass on to you. So if you decide to order a holster from them, get a hold of us first, and I'll give you that discount code to use. Now, I don't get anything from them for you buying one of their holsters. You just get a great holster, and you get a 10% discount. Like I said, highly recommend these things. Upper Hand Holsters, good to go on the holsters. The second thing I want to talk about is called the Neomag. Now, I've said for years, if you train on the range with a spare magazine, then you should carry a spare magazine when you conceal carry. If you don't carry a spare magazine when you conceal carry, then you should not train with one on the range. How you train and how you operate need to be the same way. So I have not been happy with the options that I found on carrying a spare magazine while conceal carrying until now. And I come across a product called Neomag. I liked it so much I bought one for myself and the MHF crew. So I have one on in this pocket, and as you can see, it just looks like I'm carrying a lockback pocket knife in my pocket, but it is actually a magazine holder. You can get the mags in and out very easily, but they are held very, very secure. This has a titanium pocket clip, and then has a rare earth magnet in here that's a very strong magnet that holds that magazine right in place. Now this one, because I have this little finger lip on the bottom of the magazine to give me a better grip surface on the pistol, this is an extended length one to keep the top of that magazine base plate below the edge of my pocket. But they have these for all different brands and calibers and everything. And again, I get nothing from them for promoting their product, but this is a great way to carry a spare magazine when you are doing concealed carry. So the combination of this Neomag and my upper hand holster is a fabulous package for everyday concealed carry. I highly recommend you look into both of these products. This is Travis coming to you from MHF Enterprises. And remember, come train with the best or get the rest. We'll see you soon.